Physical structures. Before discussing networks, we need to define some network attributes. So that means we have to discuss about physical structures before discussing about networks. So physical structures include type of connection, then point to so in point net type of connection we have point to point, then multi-point, physical topology, etc. So type of connection. A network is a two or more devices connected through links. So if we are sending a file through Bluetooth from one cell phone to another, it is also a Bluetooth network. A network is a two or more devices connected through links. A link is a communication pathway that transfers data from one device to another. So link is a pathway which is transferring data from one device to another. For visualization purpose, it is simplest to imagine any link as a line drawn between 2 points. So any link is a line which is drawn between 2 points. For communication to occur, two devices must be connected in some way to the same link at the same time. There are two possible types of connection: point to point and multi-point. So basically, link in order to call that connection link, two devices must be connected in some way to the same link at the same time. That means they should be connected in order to call that connection a link. First is point to point connection. A point to point connection provides a dedicated link between two devices. So that means that link is dedicated. The entire capacity of link is reserved for transmission between those two devices. So for example, the speed of uh, that connection is entirely dedicated for that two device only. Most point to point connections use an actual length of wire or cable to connect to two ends. That means they are using actual length of wire, that means physical wires. But other options such as microwave or satellite links are also possible. But other options are microwave and satellite links also. When you change television channels by infrared remote control, you are establishing a point to point connection between the remote control and television's control system. That means, uh, for example, when we are changing channels of television with for example remote control, then we are using that infrared connection link. Now multi-point connection. A multi-point, also called as multi-drop connection, is one in which more than two specific devices share a single link. In a multi-point environment, the capacity of channel is shared either spatially or temporarily. If several devices can use links simultaneously, it is spatially shared connection. If users must take turns, it is a time shared connection. So in a multi-point environment, capacity of channel is shared. Now physical topology. The term physical topology refers to the way in which network is laid out physically. Two or more devices connect to a link. Two or more links form a topology. So two or more devices connect to a link and it forms a topology. So first is point to point connection, in which there is a link between station to station. So there are only two stations in point to point connection. Now there is a multi-point connection in which one is mainframe, then it sends a link and all the stations are connected to that link and they can communicate with each other. So that is a multi-point connection. So mainframe plays an important part in multi-frame connection, multi-point connection. So these are basically two important type of connections.